discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So all his batteries are underneath here. Underneath the vehicle. All his lithium is underneath. So it's probably a couple hundred amp hours underneath there.
I looked on the hood, I was like, I know he ain't running.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, what's up, man? Coming out of an airplane, huh? Can I come in, sir? Yep. YouTube Jacob Vile, I'm doing some videos. What's up, Jacob? How you doing, man? So, is there a way you can tell me what's in here real quick and your name?
This is David Cook's truck.
Okay.
8 ZV6s, 15s. He's got 8 salt 8 case, 3 alts, some batteries.
How much lithium do you know?
I don't. It's under the back bumper.
Okay, yeah, I got it over there. Oh, under the bumper. Oh, okay. Wow, I have to look at that after. Wow, is this a 4th order or 6th?
I believe 4th.
Yep, 4th order. Wow, this is nice. And you actually can recline into the port, so you feel all that pressure.
Yeah, it kind of reclines you back as you go.
It does, yeah. All right. Yeah, I mean, I would love to hear it. This looks really good. That's pretty good. I like that. It's got a musical bandwidth response. It doesn't fall off on that frequency range. Well, do you know what frequency that was roughly? That was pretty nice. I like that. It's all right. Sounded like a mid 30 hertz range. Nice. Thank you for the demo. What was your name? I know this is David's. Glenn. All right, Glenn. Thank you, Glenn. You got a little button to open it. Yep. All right, that's pretty cool. Definitely a demo monster. Y'all did a good job. I appreciate it. Nice job.